Alright guys, we're going to do a quick video on where is my queen. Took this box apart. There's another video I'll link in the description of how to clean all this mess up. But it's just a quick little video. Number one, telling you, make sure you keep all your spaces filled. Basically, this is more for the new beekeeper than it is the experienced, even though obviously I'm an experienced beekeeper and I'm falling problems to this. But where's my queen? Which box is she in, or which area is she in? Because you guys will probably not have these hives. But listen to this hive. Hear that roar? That roar tells you that the queen is not in this box. Listen to these girls. 99% of the time, the queen is up here in all this mess. Like I said, I'll link the video to how to fix this mess down in the description. This is one of those things in beekeeping where you run out of time, or you take somebody's word that, hey, mine don't build up in that area. But that's what you get. Just quick and simple. Figured I'd give you guys a little heads up. Have a great day.